Quantum computing is no longer just a distant dream, it's becoming a battleground for tech giants eager to shape the future. Nvidia, a leader in AI chip technology, has boldly stepped into this arena by investing in 3 quantum computing startups within a single week, signaling a serious commitment to this emerging field. But here's where it gets controversial. While Nvidia's CEO once suggested that practical quantum computers might still be 2 decades away, the company's recent actions tell a different story, sparking debate about the timing and potential of quantum technology. Between September 4th and 10th, Nvidia participated in major funding rounds for 3 startups pushing the boundaries of quantum hardware. In the United States, Quantinuum secured $600 million, while PsiQuantum from Australia raised a staggering $1 billion. Nvidia also invested an undisclosed amount in QuEra, another US-based company. Each of these startups is pioneering unique methods to create qubits, the fundamental units of quantum information. PsiQuantum harnesses photons, Quantinuum relies on trapped ions, and QuEra uses neutral atoms. This variety aligns perfectly with Nvidia's strategy. Much like how Nvidia has become a go-to chip supplier for a wide range of AI developers, its quantum computing platform, CUDA-Q, is designed to be hardware agnostic, enabling users to run quantum applications across different types of quantum machines. Nvidia's market valuation, which exceeds $4 trillion, is largely built on its indispensable role in AI's rapid expansion. The company's cutting-edge chip designs, paired with proprietary software, have made it a dominant force in the industry. However, this dominance isn't guaranteed forever. Rival chip makers in the US and China are developing alternatives, and there's always the risk that generative AI might not generate the massive profits investors expect. If that happens, confidence could falter, and demand for Nvidia's chips might decline sharply. This looming uncertainty is likely why Nvidia is positioning itself at the forefront of what could be the next revolutionary leap in computing: quantum technology. The recent investments demonstrate a renewed confidence in the sector, despite CEO Jensen Huang's earlier cautionary remarks about the long timeline for usable quantum computers. Those comments initially caused the stock prices of several publicly traded quantum companies to drop, highlighting the tension between hype and reality in this space. Nvidia's move is part of a broader surge in corporate interest in quantum computing. According to recent reports from Global Corporate Venturing, GCV, investments in quantum startups have surged in the first half of 2025. September alone has already seen 5 deals, underscoring sustained enthusiasm. What's particularly striking is the sheer scale of the funding rounds, which now resemble the massive investments flowing into AI startups. This influx of capital is driving valuations to new heights. After Nvidia's involvement, PsiQuantum and Quantinuum are now valued at $7 billion and $10 billion, respectively. Beyond Nvidia's 3 deals, other notable funding rounds include UK-based Phasecraft, a developer of quantum algorithms, which raised $34 million in a Series B round co-led by Novo Holdings. Meanwhile, IQM Finland, a company that produces both quantum hardware and software, secured $300 million in Series B funding. With support from Winbond Electronics, a memory chip manufacturer, investment in startups is only part of the story. IBM remains a global leader in quantum computing research and development, driving much of the innovation internally. Yet, in a recent interview with GCV, the head of IBM's venture capital arm revealed a growing interest in collaborating with startups, exemplified by their July investment in QEDMA, a company focused on quantum error correction. The spike in funding this September clearly indicates a shift in how the market views quantum computing, not just as a futuristic concept, but as an emerging technology ripe for investment. Nvidia is far from alone in seeking an early advantage in this space. But here's the part most people miss. With so many different approaches to quantum hardware and software, who will ultimately set the standards and dominate the market? And how will this competition shape the future of computing? What do you think? Is Nvidia's aggressive push into quantum computing a visionary move or a premature gamble? Are we on the brink of a quantum revolution, or is this just another tech bubble waiting to burst? Share your thoughts and join the conversation below. For those interested in tracking all corporate-backed funding rounds in quantum computing, the CVC Funding Round Database offers a comprehensive resource.